Robots nowadays are a lot more advanced than they were 50 years ago. The first robot was created by George Devil to be used in a General Motors assembly. In the present, robots can now be used to help save people, prepare food, everyday and household appliances, and for better or worse, military and war. Beginners can learn how to program using the Arduino to program the robot. You can start by simply making the light on the Arduino to blink, then spin a single motor, read from your sensors and play with them using Microsoft Excel to generate a calibration curve, and combine the sensors and motor code to do what you desire. Easier said than done. Robotics/mechatronics deal with the design, construction, operation, and use of robots, as well as computer systems for their control, sensory feedback information, and processing. These technologies are used to develop machines that can substitute for humans and replicate human actions. In the food and drink industry, there are a number of guidelines that apply to the production of equipment and machinery used in preparation and processing. It is a requirement that products need to be safe and hygienic, as well as being easy to sanitize. The combination of innovative problem-solving techniques and a seamless integration of software, electronics, and mechanics enables restaurants to provide their customers with enhanced manufacturing capability together with increased productivity. Using a combined approach of lean manufacturing and the Kaizen methodology, it allows companies to create bespoke and innovative solutions for a range of production processes. This also enables them to develop an outcome that maximizes productivity, reduces defects, and improves efficiency, as well as also allows them the opportunity to design out any possible teething problems before they go into production, ensuring that the system delivered to you is perfect for your appliance.
Nowadays, most people have a robotic household appliance in their house that they use every day, be it fridges that allow you to control the temperature of the fridge with a single click, to Google Home, which you can use to control your entire household, be it changing the temperature, unlocking and locking doors, and even allowing you to start watching the latest episode of Game of Thrones just by using your voice. Robotic applications have come far from the early days where they were first used to help out in automotive shops, to the current day of being in control of your car, such as Tesla's Model 3s and above, which self-drive and allow you to sit behind the wheel and not touch anything. The future of such applications are limitless, because if a person has the time, knowledge, and money, they would be able to create something as simple as an app on your phone that reminds you to get up in the morning, to something complex, such as an unmanned space mission into Mars or Venus or Pluto, or even further into the future, such as terraforming and changing a planet's atmosphere and shape into something that would be similar to Earth's and allowing humans to survive on that planet without required assistance. Ever since robots were invented, 3 laws were passed down to make sure that they did not harm people. The first law is that a robot must not injure a human being or allow harm to come to them. The second law is that a robot must follow all laws given to them as long as it does not conflict with the first law. And the third law is that a robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the first 2 laws. With these laws in mind, scientists and military personnel decided that building exosuits would be a far superior idea than building robots for war. An exosuit is a suit of armor designed to be used as a way to increase the user's strength, speed, and endurance while they are wearing the suit. Currently, there are suits for purchase that cost around 10,000 American, but they only act as a brace by allowing your arms or body parts to be held in place by the exosuit while you use your hands or feet to do the job that you need. The military is looking into ways that allow the suit to be fully supporting the weight of whatever item you are using, while allowing the soldier to be in control of the suit at all times.
And if you thought that was enough, you were wrong. Mechatronics can go so far as the medical field. Medical mechatronics demonstrates innovative solutions for exploiting mechatronics in the instruments used by optimizing the available conventional instruments and also creating new, innovative, intelligent, and accurate instruments. Tiny smart motion systems and all-in-one microstages move optics in handheld scientific instruments for flow cytometry, DNA identification, IVD, pathogen detection, DNA sequencing, and more. They also enable smaller field portable systems and faster lower cost tests. Medical mechatronic products can vary, such as diagnostic and laboratory services, primary core diagnostic services, critical monitoring equipment, critical core equipment, medical imaging, dental units, and neonatal products. One of the newest products on the market would be a self-driving catheter robot that can navigate a heart for surgery, like rats and cockroaches when they use the go-by-feel method to navigate dark and cramped spaces. The catheter is capable of finding its way through the cardiac system without the surgeon's guiding hand. The engineers used machine learning to design a catheter that could find its way from the bottom tip of the heart to the leaky valve near the top. The catheter is about the size of a penny and equipped with an LED light and a camera. It is also touch sensitive, so it knows when it is in contact with blood, heart tissue, or a valve. It also knows the amount of pressure it is using. The researchers combined this touch sense with imaging from the catheter's camera to create a device with touch vision, like rat's whiskers and crayfish antenna. The catheter traversed the heart by making contact with the tissue and following the walls of the heart to its destination. And since the device knows how much pressure it's applying, it didn't hurt the tissue it was bumping against. However, the biggest benefit the scientists believe to be is that the AI behind it keeps learning as it goes. In conclusion, mechatronics is an extremely vast topic, and the possibilities can be infinite and your imagination boundless. Robotics and mechatronics can and could be used for almost everything in everyday life, including medical and scientific purposes, even for making brownies. Eventually, mechatronics might take over our lives and make simple tasks like painting seem easy and pointless when a robot's doing it, and they may also take almost all of our jobs one day, but here's to hoping that that never happens. This is Chris and Andre's Computer Science Research Project. Thanks for listening.